How to add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. So first of all, let me head over to my Apple Wallet. Once you're in this page, if you tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen, tons of different menus will be visible to you. But still, you won't be able to find any option where you can add the boarding pass. But still there is two different ways in order to add boarding pass to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you have to check the mail of your boarding pass. Well, the boarding pass might have the button that directly allows you to add the boarding pass to your Apple Wallet. So in this page, you can see the option where it says Add to Apple Wallet. All you want to do is click on this option, and then your boarding pass will be added successfully to your Apple Wallet. But if you don't have this option, then don't worry. What you want to do is you simply have to download the application of the airlines of the travel agency that you are using. Open the app and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to the flight or the booking section where you are able to find Add to Apple Wallet option. Once you find it, all you want to do is click on it and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add boarding pass to Apple Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.